Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create a blank digital signature box on your Fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my Fillable PDF form. Now click on this form option, this menu bar, and here you will find this signature box icon. Now draw your signature box and press right button from your mouse cursor and select properties dialog box. Properties dialog box goes general option, this signature field name. You can add tooltip as appearance option. Here you can say your signature color. You can add border color and border thickness as fill color and add this fill color. Now select close. Now press hand option and see this signature box now created. Now you can create new signature ID or you can add your existing signature. Use this logo. Select OK and type your password here and sign. Yes, and see this. Possibly you can remove this signature, clear this signature and remain it blank. Anyone can sign your PDF file. Simply click on this signature box. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.